Welcome to Relative Pronouns. Today we learn about where, the special word we use for places. Where connects a place to extra information about it. It helps us describe locations clearly and naturally. Use where when talking about places or locations. It connects the place from the main sentence to extra details. Where replaces phrases like in which, at which, or on which. For example, the house where I live or the park where we met. Listen to these simple examples. This is the house where I grew up. The word where connects house to the information about growing up there. That's the school where we first met. Where tells us the location of the first meeting. Here are more examples. I visited the city where my best friend lives. Where shows the connection between city and friend. This is the cafe where we had our first date. Each sentence uses where to give location information clearly. Now practice filling in where. She visited the town where her aunt lives. This is the park where we like to relax. The restaurant where they met is now closed. Find the place where they took the photo. Say these sentences aloud. Combine two sentences using where. First, the town is beautiful, she lives in the town, becomes, the town where she lives is beautiful. Second, the cafe is popular, we met at the cafe, becomes, the cafe where we met is popular. Practice this pattern. Avoid these common errors. Never use which for places, always use where. Don't repeat subjects in the relative clause. Use where only for places, never for people or things. Keep the relative pronoun close to the noun it describes. You have mastered where for places. Remember, places always use where, like the house where I live and the city where she works. Practice these patterns daily. You are now ready to use where confidently in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.